doesn't want to look and feel young forever? While we can't stop time, we can slow down its effects with the right diet. In this video, we'll uncover the top 7 anti-aging foods that not only enhance your skin, but also boost your overall health. Stick around till the end for bonus tips that will leave you glowing inside and out. Discover the secret to staying youthful. Berries, the antioxidant powerhouses. Let's start with berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds protect your skin cells from free radical damage and help maintain elasticity. Studies show that eating berries regularly can reduce inflammation, improve collagen production, and keep your skin youthful. Add them to your morning oatmeal or enjoy them as a snack. Leafy greens, nature's multivitamin. Next on the list are leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, these greens promote cell regeneration and improve skin hydration. Vitamin K reduces dark circles and promotes glowing skin. A daily salad or a green smoothie is all it takes to reap these benefits. Rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K. 3. Nuts, a handful of skin nourishment. Walnuts and almonds are small but mighty. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and zinc, which nourish your skin and protect it from sun damage. Just a handful of nuts daily can keep your skin supple and your brain sharp. Snack on them or sprinkle them over your meals for an easy anti-aging boost. 4. Fatty fish, the skin saver. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are your best friends for youthful skin. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and astaxanthin, which hydrate your skin, reduce inflammation, and even prevent wrinkles. Include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week for glowing skin and a healthy heart. 5. Avocados, the creamy superfood. Avocados are more than just trendy toast toppings. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and biotin, which lock in skin moisture and enhance elasticity. Eating avocados regularly can reduce fine lines and give your skin a natural glow. 6. Green tea, the detox elixir. Green tea isn't just a relaxing drink. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants like EGCG that fight oxidative stress and promote cell repair. Drinking green tea regularly not only protects your skin from aging, but also boosts metabolism and overall vitality. Dark chocolate, sweet but powerful. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, especially with 70% cocoa or higher, is rich in flavonoids that improve skin hydration, elasticity, and UV protection. Just a small piece of dark chocolate daily can satisfy your sweet tooth and enhance your skin health. Here's a bonus tip. Stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and get plenty of sleep. These simple habits, combined with the anti-aging foods we discussed today, can work wonders for your body and mind. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is the ultimate secret to aging gracefully. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.